All right, Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. Want to learn how to make Sicto in crypto? Hit that like and subscribe. We're going for a ride. We're going to the moon and we're going soon. Excuse me, I've been running around like a maniac. Nothing new, right? I want to talk about the inflation. I want to talk about how it affects Bitcoin, and how we have something to worry about.
Consumers are willing to pay the increase that he, as a former auto dealer in that sector, like he's never seen anything like this, nor have any of his contacts. And that's the most important thing, according to the central bank and inflation, is whether or not consumers are willing to pay those increases in prices, right? They don't step away. They keep on demanding the product, even though it's going up in price. And stock markets, of course, continue to hit new all-time highs. So that's the inflation side. Then we have the deflation side of the derivatives, that there are unknown quantities out there.
Listen to what they're saying. This is scary. What they talk about, I'm not doing a video of a video, right? I'm just doing quick tidbits so I can help you, the people who read and listen to this stuff and don't understand completely. Trust me, I used to be one of them. This stuff is crazy. He's going to explain to you, Max Kaiser is a genius. This man is very smart. I follow smart people. Remember we spoke about this? I follow, I read, I listen to smart people. What he's trying to tell you is that these people are going to print money. The government is going to print money. All currencies are going to print money at all costs to protect themselves. Listen to what he says. We're almost done with the video already.
They can create bubbles. It could be used cars this week. It could be food next week. It could be islands somewhere in the Pacific the week after that. Those are bubbles within a secular collapse. And ultimately, when the everything bubble collapses, then we have the realization that the economy died in 2008. We just haven't buried it yet.
Right. And that wage inflation story is entered into in this JP Morgan report recently.
Oh, man, I went too fast. Screw me, right? I'm supposed to go right here. Well, did I do 327?
They can create bubbles.
Yes, that was it. Okay. Sorry.
Wage inflation story is entered into in this JP Morgan.
This is really important. Listen.
Where they're predicting 3% inflation for the next 10 years. They're outside their peer groups. JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs thinks it's not going to hit 2% at all over the next 10 years. But JP Morgan's predicting it's going to run higher. And it's obviously not because of wages. Wages are not going up, but their income is going up. The ordinary American's income has gone up dramatically in the past year because of all the stimulus, all of the enhanced unemployment benefits. All of that has caused their wages to go up. Americans unleashing pent-up
every day.
Anyways, that's what I was done. Perfect. I'm trying to explain to you is that the government, everyone is printing more and more money. We're creating a bubble, AMC. Listen to what I'm saying. This is so important before we go into the charts, and then we're going to just do a quick video here. I want to explain to everyone how important this is. You have to listen. No one's listening. We're creating bubbles. Bitcoin is no longer the bubble that we're worrying about. We're creating new bubbles. The investors are now taking their money out of one thing and we're overriding something so we can gain money on something else. You understand how money hungry the countries are becoming? As a whole, we are being crazy. We're starting to do crazy stuff. We're creating bubbles. I'm trying to explain to you, when the market falls and you're not into the right market, you're not into your money in the right place, you're going to die. You're going to fall. What have I been saying on this channel? What have I been saying? Buy BNB. It's going to explode through the hellhole that we've been through. What are we doing? We were at 585. It's insane. We were already all the way to 583. Check the index, relative index. We are now possibly going to only ride a little bit more, but hey, why not, right? When was the last time we were at this height? Well, it was this price. What did it give us? Well, it gave us our 638. That's pretty insane. So if you pay attention, you might want to, not to mention, you might want to get in there, right? Remember I said we were paying attention to all this. Well, now we're already up above, back to 580, and we are making money, honey. Woo! So congratulations to everybody who took the BNB. Good job. You're doing well. I know you're making gains. I did buy some Bitcoin at 56,000. I do like it. Awesome stuff. We need to see 57,500 to break in order for us to be happy again in this bull trend market, right? In a bull market, got a bull market, got bull market. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's milk that cow. Let's get some milk, baby, so we can feed the cats, feed the chickens. We got work to do, right? Everyone's got money that has to be made. Everybody needs money, right? Wouldn't be exciting if this wasn't a W forming. Wouldn't be really any exciting if that was happening, right? Nah, that wouldn't be exciting if that was happening. Let's go. Let's get it as the RSI is looking strong on my Bitcoin. So I love it. I'm very excited. We have a lot of growth to make before we start coming back down again, before the whales start selling, right? Because they're using the RSI as well. This family, this channel we have become is starting to show that we are going to grow. We're going to the moon, and we're going soon. I know that some of the videos get boring. Like if you follow a video on a video, who the hell wants to see that? That's probably annoying, and I get all that. That's why we rarely do those. It's got to be a very important video to understand. I'm waiting for Basic Attention Token to do something else. We did receive some growth up here all the way to the 148. Basic Attention Token is basically the advertisement of the NBA Top Shot. NBA, it was under construction. I wonder if it's still under maintenance. It still is. They are working so hard on this. Man at the Central Land, it lives off this. This is a really big deal. I can't begin to tell you how amazing Timeout, basically. Timeout. This stuff is amazing. You put your email address in. They tell you when you're coming back. You can get Discord. I have Discord. You can get Twitter and Instagram. They follow and tell you when the packs are coming out. They're probably doing something great. They're always doing something amazing. I can't wait to be a millionaire off that. There's so many different ways to be a millionaire in 2021, 2022. It's not even funny. It really isn't. There's many ways to become a millionaire. You guys think I'm playing? Hit that like and subscribe button, by the way, please. If you have not hit the like button, we need to get the algorithm moving. We need to get grooving. We need to make some money, right? It's 420. Everybody's half lit right now. Everybody's making stupid decisions, like half baked, right, man?
Yeah, man. Let me get some Funyun dip. What else? What else? 2 pizzas, man. 2 large pizzas. Yeah. And what's that shit we used to get back in the day, man? Pussy? Yeah. Give me some pussy, man.
Remember that? That was hilarious. Half Baked. I don't know why they haven't come out with the movie Fully Baked yet. It's crazy. I.O. Jackson landing a t-shirt. SC is going up. Keep me in the green so far. Currently split between Anchor, VThor, and SC. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. That's awesome. Yes, I got things going on. So, Safe Moon is the bomb. I told you there's an announcement coming tomorrow. What's up, Pete? Can you check LTO out? LTC is Litecoin. It's a great project with good partnerships and is real world use. If people don't understand potential long-term LT, I'll write it down for you and we can do it in the future, but we're not going to do it right now on the spot. Like, I just can't do stuff like that. People prepare 3-4 hours for a video. I go live and smash out best I can. You know what I mean? I can't be doing stuff on something I'm not sure, and then it goes haywire. It's not going to work that way. We can take a peek at it really fast and I want to see what it is. We could definitely do that. If that's what you were asking, that's no problem. The LTO network price looks like to be at 56 cents. Contracts Ethereum through the MetaMask. You can add. That's pretty cool. You can basically use your MetaMask wallet. Does anybody not know what a MetaMask wallet is? You can create a MetaMask wallet. Go right to MetaMask. You can transfer your Ethereum from your Coinbase or whatever wallet you may have, Ethereum or Bitcoin. And then, I might have to do a video to show everybody. The LTO network, I see it here. It looks like, let's see on the charts. I don't see, here it is. So look, it's getting a correction right now, or at least from this point here on the Fibonacci retracement, it's actually doing a 1/3 retracement. It's doing what is it, 38.2% pullback. You might actually be getting your percentage pullback right here, and then you could be whopping back up. Who the hell knows? This is all time, so that's what we're looking at. If you look at the 3-month, it does give you a better understanding. But see, like I said, this is in TradingView. Maybe if I go to TradingView and it has it, maybe I have it. Who the hell knows? There's just so many tokens out there. It's insane. There's way too many. Tether USD. That's what I'm looking for. That's not what I wanted. Well, honestly, I can't go much over it without having, like I said, see, that's what happens. You waste time, and you're not able to do much with it. But I would like to talk about what BNB was doing. It's how I said, if in my last video, I did say take, right, BNB. I said we'll make some money off it. And I did say once I get towards the 550, I will be looking to dollar cost average out. And what have I been doing? Dollar cost averaging out. It's at the point where you have to understand that this is money made. This is a big deal. Look at what we did here. I did say to buy this for the past 2-3 days. I said that we were going to break out. We're not probably done. The breakout did hit to where I thought we would be, so I am selling out here at the top. This is my top. It doesn't mean that it's the top of BNB's top. BNB's top in 2 hours could be all the way at a new high past the 640 for all you know. I'm not taking that chance. I'm taking my money while I can. I'm living to fight another day. That's what Wall Street Pete has learned to do. I'm tired of taking losses, right? I'm tired of fighting, dealing with emotion. You can't trade on emotion. Ethereum's looking great. We're breaking through this price right here. You might want to pay attention to the next 2400 mark now. We could be raising up to the 2400 mark quickly. We got some action here where we fell. Remember that? Now we got this W. Is this W finished? Nah, I doubt it. That W's got a lot of growth to do here. Put it here, and that's what I'm talking about. Look, this is the growth that we were supposed to get before. We are not done with the Ethereum. If you want to make some money on Ethereum now, wait for a red candle. And as the red candle's falling, I would buy the Ethereum. Like I said, I just wanted to do a really quick video here. I want everyone to understand that we're printing more money, and that's all we keep doing. And that's what this video I wanted it to be about. The government's going to do whatever they can to hedge against the inflation. And Bitcoin is basically a movement on the inflation of the US dollar because the money that everyone is getting, all of the stimulus checks, is getting poured into the cryptocurrency market. Why? Because we're in a stage of hell. Can I speak the truth? Wall Street Pete speaks the truth. We are in a desperation mode of life. Everybody wants to make money. Everybody wants to change their life. Not everybody is pissing out roses and smelling, their poop doesn't smell like roses. I'm sorry, not everybody's chilling McGillen like you are. A lot of us are hurting. A lot of us want to make money, and a lot of us are tired of watching everyone else rise, right? Let's be real with that. Aren't you sick and tired of watching everybody else make money and hearing about all the money that they're making? Don't you want to start making money yourself? This is why we go into the charts. This is why we talk about positivity. This is why we talk about put on a good tune. This is why we talk about if you have a bad attitude, go back to hell to bed, get your ass back over here when you're in a better mood and you're listening to a better jam. When you need your focus, when you start trading on emotion and you start not using any education, you start doing really stupid shit. And I'm telling you right now, this is what happens and this is what we do. When we see the price go up, what do we want to do? What do we want to do when the price is flying up? We want to buy. Wouldn't you like to buy before this shit happens? You understand me? I'm real. It's as real as it gets. Wouldn't you want to buy before you see that? Because I know I do. How about you start buying down here at the red candles and stop trading with emotion? I'm going to teach you that. We all trade with emotion. It's horrible. What you do is a natural reaction. That's all it is. I'm not mad at nobody. It's a simple reaction. What do we do? Well, when the price is dropping, we decide to sell because we don't want to lose no more money. Don't you understand that's what happens? The price is falling. You don't want to lose no more money, so you sell. If you're a big whale, it gets worse. When you have millions of dollars and you start watching hundreds of thousands of dollars fall when you're invested. How was the last time you watched $100,000 in this crypto market fall? Not too many of you that follow me, I guarantee you. That's my point. How many times when it was going up on this move, as I show you, the next move that's coming is going to be this. And when I tell you that this next move is coming past, and when I say you better get your butt ready, pay attention to Ethereum. Because the next move for Ethereum is this. And this price is going to be the 2,700 mark. And if you're not in on the 2,700 mark before it starts getting warm, you're going to be pretty upset because there's money to be made. Right now it's only 400, but it could still fall is my point. We have so much more potential as we're going to 10,000 out of Ethereum. I was just talking about Ethereum, how important it is. When you see this action, pay attention right now. We're getting this some type of a W. Let's get rid of this garbage. That was the past. This is what's now. As I make this video longer, and I really didn't want to. If you look at the big picture, we're getting that. We're coming across this right here. If you pay attention, what are we looking at? We got a basically what? Let's go to the four-wheeler. You get a much more there it is. Now my candles look better. Now my line looks better. Okay. So we're going to move this. Right here was old resistance. You see it? Now, if you notice and you pull this out and you pretend that this is your resistance because this is what this was. If you see we had trouble poking before we blew up, this is what we did here. We had trouble poking before what? What did I just say? Before we blew up. So look, we're blowing up again. So every time that you hit this price of the Ethereum price, the 2161 area, we break up through this. If you notice right here, we hit. Every time we break up on this price, there's some type of explosion, and then the M formed, and we fell through, capitalized back. Now we're getting this some type of W through here, and I'm trying to explain to you as you throw up. Through here, you see these Bollinger Bands, basically getting tighter, telling us that a move going on the upward trend to this price is definitely imminent. It's coming. And is what I'm trying to explain to you is where's Algo? We're going up. I told you to buy that. I said that was on the uptrend. I expect this growth here as I get and sell out as a nice profit. You have to start. So this is how you make a profit. I want everyone to put your it's 3:41 in 5 hours, in less than 5 hours, okay? In less than 5 hours, we are going to do a tutorial on how to set your sell stop limit. You hear me? I want everyone to understand this. Everyone who watches this video, you're going to benefit big time from this right now. 8 o'clock, 8:30-ish Eastern time. I'm going to teach you how to set a sell stop limit. What is a sell stop limit? A sell stop limit is when you put it at a stop. So right now, I'm going to explain to you what it is really fast, and we're getting off. All right, so right now, Algo, I want to sell at $1.44. You understand me? I don't have to do no work. I'm going to bed. I'm afraid that it's going to go up, and in my sleep, when I wake up, it's going to be back at this price, and I'm going to be pissed off. You understand what I'm talking about? This is very important now. I'm going to teach you at 8 o'clock tonight when we watch the daily candle, because at 8 o'clock tonight, the daily candle changes. And that's when I think I will be selling out. This is incredible. Look, 4 hours. In 4 hours and 17 minutes, we will be back here. I will show you the next daily candle on why we went down for 2 days on Algo and why I don't have enough of it. Oh, shenanigans. Wait till you see this chart. This is the daily. We're going to get another candle, and I expect a candle of growth. Let me tell you. This is Algorand. It looks good. What is the most important thing? Big Daddy. Big Daddy has to be showing something. Well, we've been showing some down action. Now we're on this green candle, hopefully going up, right? And we're going to go through the moon for how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're telling me we got a week of going up? Woo! Buy Bitcoin now, as I did. I bought Bitcoin at 56,000. I re-entered 56,000. If you want, I could show it to you most likely. Buy order. Here it is. I can actually show it to you. Believe this? I hope it shows. Can I show it? Let's see if it goes. Let's get big. I'm going to dollar cost average into Bitcoin. So this is what I'm telling you. When we go live, this says 4:20. It shows the time. There's no BS here. I bought Bitcoin, BTC, USD. It's hard to see. Wow, is it hard? If you could back up, maybe you'll see better. Yep, there you go. I bought Bitcoin at 56,000. It shows the date on the bottom. This is horrible. When I get to 1,000 subscribers or more, and then we start going and you share and you like and subscribe these videos, you can come with me live, and I can show you why I bought at 56,000. I bought 56,000 right here. I knew it was the money maker because we're coming down on the plane and we're landing. And this is a daily. So could you imagine landing on a daily and now going up on the daily? Could you freaking imagine? Wall Street Pete, have a seat, Sicto and Crypto. I teach you this stuff. I'm so excited. I'm so amped up. If you don't see this video is very boring. I get it. But that's why I try not to be like everybody else. The daily candle is showing you that we're going for liftoff. And if you don't see that, this is now what I'm trying to explain. The 56,000 price, we are now heading for liftoff. And if we are going to keep falling, then we have to pay attention to the 51,000 price. That's where we sound like the weatherman. It sucks, but it's the truth. So the 51,000 price is where it blows, but where we love life is where? The 70,000. So look at the difference. When you get into Bitcoin, what is the biggest risk? When you're getting into Bitcoin right now, pay attention. The biggest risk is to 51,000. We'll hodl it to 51, but we're on our way to 70. Do you understand me? 47,000 would absolutely be the worst. 47,000 down here would be the absolute worst price, right about there. There it is. I'm sorry, I missed it. That would be the absolute worst. That would be the worst case scenario. I believe we're done with that by now. So there is no even talking about this no more. What would we do? We would shoot up the dominance. I'm looking for the dominance. Bitcoin dominance. It has to stay above 50 for us to be looking fresh. And what is it doing? It's doing the same thing. It's falling, right? We got to get to the hourly. We need to, wow. Yeah, so we've been doing nothing but falling. So I'm trying to explain to you, ladies and gentlemen, Bitcoin is now going to come up, though. Look what it's been doing. Remember what I told you? It's coming down. It's crashing on a plane. Now, wait till we get back. Wait till we get back in 4 hours. I want everyone to understand this. In 4 hours, this is going to be in a plateau stage where it's coming like this. And you're going to get the next 4-hour candles movement like this. You see what I'm talking about right here? We're going to get that. Let's move in. Let's zoom in more. I don't see it well. Right here. Does everybody see that action? Now do you see it better? We're going to get off, and I'm trying to explain to you this so damn important. We're going to get this action here. This sideways thing again, and then we're exploding. That's what we're expecting. If we get another fall through, we're going to see 51,000. It's going to suck. And then honestly, then we have to pay attention to this. Then we have to pay attention to going below the 50,000 mark. Because if we go below the 50,000 mark, then we are no longer in a bull market. Do you understand that? Wall Street Pete is teaching you something you may not have heard before. Or you may have, and now I'm just reminding you. This is scary stuff. This is real stuff. We need to stay away from this 50,000 below or 50 number, or we're in trouble. I believe that we found that plateau. We have found the landing gear on that plane, and we are now coming down, and we are now going to be on the up. So if you pay attention, we're going to be scooped up. I'll see you in a little bit. Have a wonderful night. Eat something good. XRP is now a sleeping giant. I do agree. Yes, I do. Now that it lost and it's settled its money and it's finally relaxed. What's up with Doge? Doge, the smart money sold out. The big whales made a lot of money. I heard people that made $30,000 off Dogecoin. Could you imagine making 30 grand off one coin? I haven't done that yet on Doge, but I'm going to. Doge had its day down. Let's go to it really, really fast. I got to go. This is what happens. Go to Doge on the daily. What the hell happened to Doge? Well, I guess you haven't been really paying attention to the daily. Could you imagine? Could you imagine? Could you imagine being so, what's the word, ignorant? Could you imagine being so ignorant that you don't realize what happened? Like what happened to Doge, everyone said. You sound like Bitcoin right now. I swear, because it's making me wonder if this is how significant Doge is going to be. This is the daily candle, ladies and gentlemen. You're all having heart attacks. Why? Because you FOMO'd in so goddamn late. So now you want to know why your dumbass FOMO'd in so late, why your money's being lost. Guess what? Guess what the next candles are going to be for the daily? Down. So if you're thinking today's bad, you're going to have about a good 2 more days bad. That's my opinion. That's my technical analysis. The real technical analysis is I expect a down and 2 up again. So we may get 1 more down. So excuse me. 1 down. This is the Dogecoin. 1 more down. That is not red. 1 more down, and then when we hit close to this price, you will see the new highs to 50 cents. We will be there. Look, we're almost there now, just doing the arrows, fooling around. You'll be at the 50 cents, and then I will be getting out with my profits. You understand me? This is how this works. We're all taking turns. Only the smart people are taking turns. The people who trade with emotion, the people who are dummies, the people who trade dumb and do stupid stuff, they're going to be losing money. I used to be that guy. You can be that woman too. You could be whoever. You can be that silly person. Don't be the silly person. That's why I'm going to teach you tonight how to put a sell stop limit in. When you put it to the stop, it indicates that it hits a price. You're going to sell, as I was saying earlier at Algorand. When it hits 46 cents, I put the stop in at 46 cents, and then I put a limit at 50. So the limit is it's going to try and wait to get to 50. Once it gets to 46, if it goes below this price, it sells it for me at the amount I want. That's what the sell stop limit is. I want the limit to go all the way. I'm sorry, I'm getting loud. I'm getting it to my mouth. I'm trying to eat the mic. I want it to go all the way to 50 cents and sell me out at 50. So as long as this keeps going above the 46.8 cents, I will keep being safe with my money going up. And as I'm sleeping at night, as I told you when I predicted to go to 50 cents, that's not tonight, by the way. I'm being clear. When I'm sleeping, I put the sell stop limit in. I let my phone do the work. Or I go on my computer and I let my account do the work. Let the platform do the work for you. When you start trading on emotion, you're going to start trading stupid crap. You're going to start losing money. I let the platform tell me when I'm up. And then I go into my platform and then I look at my order and I go, oh, did my order get filled? It's how it used to happen when we worked on the trading floor. Oh, did my order get filled? And then you look and you go, oh, wow, my order did get filled. And then you have profits, and now you have money, liquidity sitting in your USD because you waited for the computer to tell you. You told the computer what price you wanted it out. When it went down here, you didn't trade out of emotion because you're not looking at it. You're letting the computer do it. Then when you go to your platform, you see what happened. You look and you realize you got sold out because in the morning when you woke up, you didn't have no emotions on this up or down movement and you sold out. So pay attention to tonight's video. In 4 hours, we'll be going over it. Try not to get too high. It's 4:20. That was a legit laugh. That was funny as hell. Because some of you are going to get so high, you're going to pass out. You're going to miss this video. Wall Street Pete, sick though. In crypto. Hit that like and subscribe. We're going on a ride and we're going to the moon and we're going soon. Wall Street Pete. Let's get it. Have a wonderful, wonderful evening.